Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Shazia. In today's video I'm gonna share with you guys, like you saw from the title, it's an Eid eye look, and this is a rose gold glitter cut crease eye that I have created. I know I'm back after a very long time, but since it was I couldn't find myself time to film because you guys know it was Ramzan, and the thing is now Ramzan is also getting over and Eid is just a few days away, and time flies so quickly because I still remember on last year's Eid I actually created an eye look, and I feel like I did that just few months ago, but actually it was one whole year back. So time just flies, and it's been another Eid so quickly. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. So as you guys can see from the title, I have mentioned chit chat video because I'm going to just talk to you guys a little bit in this video instead of doing the usual thing. So instead of explaining the steps that I'm doing to create this eye look, I just want to talk a little bit and just share my thoughts a little bit with you guys today about this particular year's Eid and how it's going to be different for all of us. So I hope you guys will like the video, and yes, of course the steps are self-explanatory, and also the product details and everything I've mentioned in the description box, so you can check that out. So like I was saying, this year's Eid is going to be very different for all of us, as we all know. So because of the crisis that's going on in the world, none of us will be able to celebrate Eid in the usual way. So all of us are going to stay at home. We won't be able to attend the prayers that we all do every Eid. We won't be able to probably meet our family members or go out anywhere on this Eid, or do the usual things that we do on other Eids. So how are we going to celebrate? That's just a little bit that I want to share. So I'm going to share a little bit about how I thought of celebrating my Eid. So what I'm gonna do is, of course, staying at home, just wear some good clothes, and glam myself up a little bit by applying makeup, by just doing my hair, by wearing some jewelry, basically glamming myself up, clicking lots and lots of pictures. Basically that's how I find happiness. That's what I do on most Eids, of course this year, of course, but even other Eids, if I'm not able to do the usual things, I do celebrate it this way. So I just, like I said, wear a good dress and glam myself up and click pictures. That just helps me to, it just keeps myself happy. It makes me feel confident, and makes me feel good. So that's just what I do. And apart from that, what we all can do is, of course, have good food. Like we all know, the traditional, what we all make on most Eids is the kheer, for the sweet, and we have biryani or whatever. You can just do that, have some good food. Like I said, if you're a girl, glam yourself up, basically we all girls love doing that, right? So that also makes you happy. And wearing makeup is not just for going out. You don't have to just wear makeup only if you're stepping out or if someone else is going to see it. You can do it for yourself, to make yourself happy. Personally, that's what I think. I wear makeup, I glam myself up only for myself, just because I feel happy by doing that. I feel confident doing that, so that's just something that I would suggest you guys as well. You can do that, and just do these simple things and find happiness in them. I'm sure you all will. So that's just a little bit what I wanted to share. Also, talking about the outfit, of course, none of us will be able to go out or purchase new outfits, new dresses for ourselves. I know that's a little bit sad, but what you can do is just wear an outfit that you have with you, any new dress, anything that you feel like will look festive and will look good for Eid. So that's just what I'm also going to do, and I'm also going to share my outfit picture at the end of this video. So the eye look that I'm doing is actually matching with the dress. So it's like a pink peach kind of outfit that I'm going to wear. It's like a gown that I'm gonna wear. I'll put the picture so that you guys can see. So yes, that's just what you can do. And we all prayed in this entire month of Ramzan. We all prayed for this crisis to go away very soon. We all wished for that, and I'm sure that will happen someday, inshallah. So yeah, I think after this one whole month where we all prayed and we all worshipped Allah and we all kept fast, Eid is one day where we all can celebrate and have some fun, enjoy. So I think we all can do that even by being at home. So that's just a little bit what I wanted to share with you guys. So you can let me know your suggestions, your thoughts, how you are gonna celebrate this Eid by being at home. You can let me know that in the comments. I would love to read that. So yes. Now talking about the eye look, like I said, it's customizable. You know, makeup, guys, makeup is always customizable. You can, you know, customize it the way you want it. You can remove any steps that you want to in this eye look. So for example, over here you can skip lashes, or you can skip that glitter liner that I'm going to apply later, or you can skip the glitter, or anything that you know feel like is too much, or something that you can't do or you don't want to do. You can just skip it. You know, you can customize it the way you want to. I just created a heavy glam eye look because I just felt like, you know, because the dress that I'm wearing is very simple, so I thought I could just you know, create a glam look. Also this eye look can also be very suitable for bridal you know, eye look. So if you're a newly married bride or something, you know, this eye look will be very suitable for you. Else, if you're not, like I said, you can make it simple by skipping any of the steps that I have shown in this eye look. And yes, so the eye look is also almost complete. Like you guys can see, I'm applying a glitter liner, and I applied that stone earlier, but then like after that I remembered I had forgotten to apply the glitter liner, so then I went in with that glitter liner, and then I also applied this Mang Tika on top. Actually I had applied it first in the center, and then after that I was like, okay, how about I apply it in the side and see how it looks. So of course it's your style, you know, you can do it the way you want to, you can customize it. You know, I'm saying that word so many times, but yes, you can. So that's it, guys. This is the eye look. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys liked whatever I shared in this video as well. Please do let me know your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And if you're gonna celebrate Eid, then a very happy and blessed Eid Mubarak to you in advance. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and stay blessed.